Hi everyone, my name's Stacy Needle and I'm really glad to see you here. Today I'm gonna tell you about my sewing machine. I'm having the Necchi NC204-D model and I'm gonna share my impressions and experience using this sewing machine. Firstly, I'd like to say that the color of this sewing machine is rather stunning. It's purple and it's one of my favorite. When I was advised to buy this model, I was impressed by its color. Color only because I wasn't an experienced sewer at all, because it was my first experience of using sewing machine. So why I chose exactly this model of a sewing machine? I chose it because my tutor advised me to choose exactly this one and buy this instead of ambitious, which I wanted to buy that time. Honestly saying, I haven't heard anything about Necchi, but now I'm having an experience of using it for a year, and I'm really able to say that this sewing machine is perfectly normal. Firstly, it's rather powerful and it can work with lots of fabrics, most of fabrics which you can use and you can wear. It's good with the jeans. Maybe it's not so profitable to use such an expensive sewing machine for sewing or fixing jeans, but you're able to do this, and that's really good news. This sewing machine would be good not only for sewing the clothes, but also for patchwork, for your creativity, for your projects, for sewing dolls. Honestly, I use it for sewing dolls more than for sewing clothes, because I sew clothes at my courses. I attend sewing courses even now, till now, so once a week I attend it, and I prefer to spend my spare time home sewing the dolls. So what else can I say? So I like the function of cutting the thread automatically. It's very comfortable function, especially if you need to change the color of the thread, or I don't know, to change the part of the dolls, which can be rather tiny, and you should do it very often, so it's very comfortable function. And if I find no button for cutting the thread automatically on other sewing machines, I'm rather disappointed. So what else? If you'd like to sew the cloth only, maybe this sewing machine would be a bit expensive for this. You can buy another one with less functions, because you see there are more than 300 functions in the sewing machine. But if you sew the cloth only, you use several 3-4 functions like overlock. If you don't have the separate device, you use several steams, like straight steam and maybe zigzag. That's all you need. Oh, I forgot to say that a loop is a really great function on this model, and many people are satisfied by it. Honestly saying, I tried it only once or twice, because, as I've already mentioned, I don't sew clothes. Maybe in future I will, but now I sew only dolls home, because I don't know the reason really, but for now it happens like this. So If we okay, if you'd like to sum up, you can say that this sewing machine is good for creative people, for people who are able to take an adventurous way in sewing, who like challenges, who like something new, who like trying something new. This sewing machine would be a perfect partner for this. If you want to sew every day and you sew some clothes or just some models of clothes, exact models like, I don't know, like costumes or like pants or something like something else, maybe you can choose a cheaper one, or maybe not cheaper but more professional one, which will work longer, because as we know, sewing machine can't work forever. So there are some exceptional models from the 20th century, but I don't know if they work appropriately or not. It's like a sort of a legend for me, because I haven't experienced those types of ancient machines. What else? So if you're a creative person, this machine will be perfect for you. If you want to sew the same ordinary clothes, probably choose another model, which will be a bit simpler, which is a bit cheaper, and you'll be satisfied too. Some people say that this sewing machine, not only this, but not cheap models of expensive sewing machines are not good for freshmen, but I disagree. I bought this one. This is my first machine and I'm really satisfied. This machine gives me a challenge. This machine also helps me to be more creative. It helps me to think about further projects too, and it with the help of the functions, it gives me more and more ideas. For now, I mean those only, but in future I'll have many projects of patchwork, yes. And I hope that my patchwork projects will be successful, and I'll share those projects with you too. If you've recently bought this sewing machine and you don't know the basic functions, how to do it, how to deal with it, I had such experience too. I share some videos how to do this or that. You can find the links, useful ones, in info box. I think they would be helpful for you. If you don't have such a machine but you'd like to, maybe these videos would be useful for you as well, because maybe you'll have a look and you understand that it's not yours, or maybe you'll have a look and you understand that this machine is good for you, suits you perfectly, because many people have different opinions, thoughts, and of course it's your choice only. And what can I say? I can say that I'll be very grateful for your comments and sharing your experience of using this sewing machine. It would be interesting for me to read your comments and experience, if you have one, of using this model. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I hope I'll see you next videos too. Bye bye.